I got to connect a little bit with this ornithologist, and he shared his story with me. And when John shared, I was not only humbled, I knew that this encounter was not a chance encounter. I knew that this entire trip culminated for this, that this entire purpose of this whole trip was not to spend time for me just to connect with my family, but the entire purpose of this trip, the main purpose, was for me to connect with John and experience. And John shared something incredible with me. He was actually a very successful stockbroker and had his own hedge fund for over 10 years in New York City and ran a very successful, very good hedge fund. Private money, billions of dollars under management.